how to create a survey on your Wix website. So here from the home page of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now we want to use the search bar in the top right corner, and we're simply going to search for Form Builder. And I'll show you which application we're going to get. We're going to get this one, 123 Form Builder and Payments. And we're also going to install this onto our website by clicking on Add to Site, and then you will just grant it permissions here, agree, and this will set it up onto our Wix website. Now it's going to look like this, and we just want to click on Settings right below it, or it can be above it as well. And here it's going to be on the main page. We want to go to Forms, and we will simply choose this Customer Satisfaction Survey. And it's going to set it up, and we will customize the form here and just give it some time to load. So it's going to look like this. It might ask you for some information before you're able to access this page, but basically I'm going to click on Save, and here we can customize the questions. So if we just left click on it, we can ask different things here, and we can also change every single part of this form. And after you're done, you're simply going to click on Publish here, and we can embed the form, and it's going to look like this. And now, as you can see, we have created a survey or a form for our Wix website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.